In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bulk create in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or new to Canva, this feature helps streamline the design process, allowing you to create multiple designs simultaneously. Let's dive in and make your workflow more efficient. First, head over to Canva and make sure you're logged into your account. Once there, look for the apps icon on the left-hand side of your screen, which is typically located among other features like templates and brand kits. Once you've found it, click on it. This section holds the key to accessing more powerful tools that Canva offers, including some hidden gems like our focus today, bulk create. After clicking on apps, move over to the search bar and type in the word bulk. This will prompt Canva to show relevant tools that support bulk actions. It might take a second, but you'll soon see the bulk create tool pop up. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new panel on your screen. Next, you'll see an option titled Upload Data. Clicking this will give you several options. If you have data files ready to upload, this is where you can bring them into Canva. However, for this demonstration, let's focus on entering data manually. Click on Enter Data Manually, and a new window will open for you to start typing in your data, such as text content that you want to use across multiple designs. Once you're done, click on Add Text. Type in the text you wish to add to your design. It's a straightforward process and vital for ensuring you have the correct information for your bulk designs. When you've entered all your necessary information, hit the Done button. Now it's time to connect this data with your design. Click on any text box within the canvas that you want to fill with your previously entered data. Once selected, click on the three dots that appear to access more options. Choose Connect Data from this menu. A list of the data tables you created will appear. Select the first table here, which links your data to the design element you selected. For connecting another piece of text, click another text box and repeat the same process. Find the three dots and choose Connect Data, then select your second table. When all your text elements are connected with your corresponding data tables, click on Continue to proceed. Next, click on Generate 5 Designs if you want to create 5 versions of your design at once. Finally, you'll be able to see the magic of bulk create as Canva produces multiple designs in seconds based on your inputs. And just like that, you've successfully used Canva's bulk create feature to produce multiple designs efficiently. This tool is perfect for when you need to output similar designs en masse, saving you precious time. Thanks for watching and happy designing.